At least once a day, someone calls my office, and the first words out of their mouth before they even introduce themselves is, I want a divorce, and how much is it going to cost? My answer is always the same. Hi, I'm Daniel Clement, and I'm a divorce attorney. When I get that initial question, how much is my divorce going to cost? The answer is always the same. At that point, I just don't know. The answer is dependent on a number of factors, many of which are beyond mine or your control. Except for the simplest cases where the parties have no assets, no liabilities, no children, and those cases can generally be handled easily on a flat fee basis. In most cases, divorce cases are handled on an hourly basis. That is, the more time you spend working on your case, the more expensive the divorce. So what affects the amount of time we spend working on your case? Well, here are a number of factors. Most important is how reasonable you and your spouse are. If you're both reasonable, willing to cooperate, being cooperative and fair, we can generally reach a quick, a simple resolution without a whole lot of litigation, keeping the costs down. If, on the other hand, if even one of you is unreasonable or simply greedy, we may spend a lot of time in court negotiating, which will drive up the cost of the divorce. The second factor is, who is the other attorney? If, for instance, your spouse hires the pit bull, the attorney who only knows to say no, makes us fight for everything, denies every request for discovery, then both parties will incur very large legal bills. The third factor is, what are the issues involved? Are there children? Has child custody been decided? Do we know where the children are going to live? Who's going to make decisions? How are disputes involving the children going to be resolved? What are the assets? Can we identify what is marital property that's going to be split, what's not marital property and won't be split? The more issues there are, and the more problematic the issues are, the higher the cost. Bottom line, if you want to keep the cost of your divorce low, be fair, be responsive, be responsible, be cooperative, be willing to make a deal. Those will all help you save money in the end. If you found this video to be helpful, please share it.